If Valorant is not opening or is not working on your computer, follow this tutorial. Okay, in order to do this, you have to press the Windows key and the R, and you will have this Windows prompt. You will have to write %temp%, and you will have all these folders here that are useless, are temporary files, so you have to select all of them and you have to delete them. Okay, so you have to check out if your Valorant is working right now, and if it's not working, you will have to do the next thing. Okay, you will have to go to Valorant and you will have to uninstall the game, and once you uninstall the game, you have to reinstall it and you will be able to play the game. So if this video helped you, was useful, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in another easy way video. Please remember to check our channel for more tutorials. Goodbye and easy way.